Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Steam generator iron from Silvercrest with ideal temp technology. 2400 watts, 1.2 liters capacity. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. The cable length, it is 2 meters, very convenient. And we have another 2 meters, the hose between the base and the iron plate. It is quite heavy. It feels very durable. Very good construction. We have the sole plate with steam outlets here. Manual, if you want to read it. Stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Just insert that here. We have the lock and lock switch. There it is. So you can move around freely with one hand. Unlock and remove. The base with soft elements. It can handle the high temperature. We have the cover for the lime scale filter shaft. Remove that. And inside it is the lime scale filter shaft. Not for drinking, keep out of reach of children. Okay. Keep in cool, dry place. Anti-calc cartridge. You need to replace that after a long time of use. Very easy to install and remove with one hand. Silicone rubbers here at the inlet and outlet. Press and it locks. So easy. Storage for the power outlet. Nice. At the bottom we have silicone rubber. It will stay very secure at any surface, wherever you are ironing. The outlet for the supply hose, very thick. And here we have the controls, touch buttons. We have the on-off button, replace lime scale filter button. There it is. Here it is the self-clean touch button, the max and eco button. That's all. And of course we have in the tank, max 1.2 liters. Some informations. Pull to remove. And you can fill up with water. So easy. And at the steam iron, we have the LED heating indicator here, the steam button, and that's all. I like it. Nice design. So let's test it. Fill up with water. Here it is the outlet. And it locks. So easy. I am especially impressed with how well it handles stubborn wrinkles and the convenience of the steam generator design. It's a great option if you want professional style results at home without spending a fortune. If you are someone who dreads the weekly laundry mountain, this iron is a game changer. The 2400 watts power and high pressure steam mean you can blast through multiple layers at once, cutting your ironing time practically in half. It feels robust, it heats up fast, and honestly, for the price you pay, only 69 euros. The performance rivals brands 3 times the costs. It's all about getting the professional finish with a way less effort. It's a future packet machine that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get professional results at home. Have you tried this iron or another Silvercrest steam generator? Let me know your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next home appliance review or household gadget test. Thanks so much for watching, happy ironing, and I'll see you in the next one.